Hello everyone again. So we are starting our second week of required material, and I just wanted to quickly talk about grading. I know that you guys got an e-news about it, and I just want to quickly go ahead and talk about that. Miss Holstead and I received the news pretty much at the same time as you, so we are still working out all the details of what is going to be essential work and what is going to be just to improve the grade. So please be patient with us and know that we are working on that, and we will email it out through Skyward and put it in these weekly news as much as we figure out. Just a quick little overview of what that e-news was talking about is that I put in up at the top here, so right here, just a little blurb of what they were talking about. So you basically are going to get whatever your grade was in quarter 3, as long as you are participating in all the critical material, and then you can also raise that grade. So just know that we want you to try your best because we are still covering critical material. So these are essential standards that you need for Algebra 2 course, and for like SATs, SBAC, some things apply in the real life depending on what job you pick. So these are really important materials, and we are trying to make them as engaging as possible, with also keeping in mind that it is hard to find motivation to do things at home. Ms. Holstad and I completely agree with that, especially since we have little ones. So we feel for you, and we're trying to make it as fun and engaging without, being in person. If you had an F at quarter 3, know that you can make up that grade, so you can bring it back up. In other words, these materials here are going to just help you, or you will receive a incomplete and we'll have to make it up later. So we had a lot of problems with Canvas last week. Hopefully this week will go smoother with Canvas. We have new directions for everyone, so make sure you go to this website here, right here, and then make sure to use this username and password. The district has already registered you for the class, so the other class you can no longer see. We deleted it. You will only see the new class, and so you won't even see the old assignments. We're just going to start fresh, and any old assignments that you have, just email them to me or Miss Holstad, and we'll enter them into the gradebook. So once you get into Canvas, you will only see the most recent assignments from this week. And this week's assignments are all to only improve your grade. So they are not the essential assessments that are going in. However, all of these assignments are going to help you for your essential assessment next week. So not only will it help your grade to do them, it'll also prepare you to do well on the assessment next week. So you have your videos for 9.3 and 9.4. And then you have some worksheets. If for some reason you need help on anything, please email Ms. Holstad and I. For this maze, it is hard to do on a separate piece of paper, so if you need, just go ahead and do it on a separate piece of paper and label the boxes somehow on how you're doing the maze. Or if you have a tablet and can write, you could do it that way too and write on the worksheet. I think that might work. If not, totally fine. And then Friday is a review day before your assessment, which is going to be a project. So you have an optional additional review to help you just get more familiar with sequences and series, and then your assignment that is going in the grade book is you pick one of these. So again, if this maze was hard for you to do, then you can go ahead and do this math decode, which is very accessible to do on just a plain piece of paper. And all the 3 assignments, 1, 2, and 3, will be turned in on Canvas. Again, hopefully it will go smoother this week. And then again, all of these assignments are to improve your grade and prepare you for your assessment next week. And all the assignments are due Sunday night at and then office hours I will hold just via email on Tuesday for any questions. And then Ms. Holstad will hold office hours in the morning on Thursday and Friday. And then I'm going to hold an office hour live at noon on Friday. And I'll put the link there so that you have it early this time. And then just a helpful comparison sheet for sequences, series, arithmetic, first, geometric is right here for you also to reference. Again, we will update you with information as we come to it. We miss you, and we hope that you are doing well, and email us with any questions you may have. Thanks.